Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you an overview of Basecamp on how you can use it for beginners. Alright, so here we are in Basecamp. And if you're looking for a project management platform, then Basecamp is probably the best one for you, and especially when you've tried other apps or other platforms for project management and it just didn't work out for you, then Basecamp will be worth a try. So in this video, I'll be showing you the features of Basecamp, what it's all about, and of course the pricing and the plans of Basecamp right here. So let's get started. So the first one is where it all comes together, as said by Basecamp right here. So Basecamp's the project management platform that helps small teams move faster and make more progress than they ever thought possible. So this is what Basecamp does. And if you're wondering what Basecamp UI looks like, it's like this one right here. And in my opinion, I think this is much cleaner and more pleasing to the eyes compared to the other platforms for project management, because as you can see, it's very simple and it's very clean and it's very neat right here. And not just that, we can now explore other options or features of Basecamp. And by the way, if you would like to see a video on the how features work or how Basecamp works, then you can click on this video and you can watch this. And this is a really good video that covers the features of Basecamp right here, but we're not gonna play it in this video right here. And you also have this right here, so you can see the graphs of Basecamp right here. And we invented hill charts to give you a visual, intuitive sense of where projects really stand right here. So yeah, you can also go and make this in your Basecamp and then leave the grind behind, glide through projects instead. So this is how it would look like to see a project in progress in Basecamp right here, as you can see. And you can just hide the notes right here. And this is how it would look like. So let's show the notes so that you can see what it's all about. And then from here in the card tables make work visible as it moves through phases right here. And you can even make centralized threads, replace scattered emails right here. And yeah, you can just do this and you have your automatic check-ins, chat, to-dos, and docs and files right here. And you even have your project activity that you can see right here, and your teammates or your team members would be able to leave some comments and so on right here. So that's it. And then from here, you can see that not everything under the sun, just the stuff to get the things done. So it simply means that you can laser in on the important work on your Basecamp right here. And from here, we have a lot of samples right here. You can have this video. So it's a TV commercial with just 2 meetings. So this is how the whole thing in Basecamp was planned and managed, and you can see it right here. You can even view this, and you can see the chat that Basecamp has right here. And as you can see, it's very simple and very clean, which is perfect when you want to get things done without any distractions right here. So the lineup shows where every project stands and from start to finish all at once right here. So you even have a timeline right here that you can use. And then right here, you have a well-run company is part of the package too. And yeah, you can have that. And here, as we scroll down, we can see more. We have the to-dos right here. You can see this. And we have the open the door to another services. So you can connect other services or other platforms into your Basecamp, so such as Adobe Creative Cloud, Airtable, Figma, GitHub, Google Drive, and many more right here. And we also have a schedule right here, so you can have a custom calendar in your Basecamp right here, so that you can set up events, deadlines, and milestones, so no one misses anything important ever. And yeah, from here, so you can see the top choice of savvy teams looking for a big adventure right here, used by top-notch marketers, ad agencies, designers, and so on. And you can see here we have your docs and files right here. This is how it would look like. And yeah, this is basically the gist on how Basecamp would look like. And I like how simple and clean it is right here. and how easy it is to maneuver in the UI. And you can change for the better. And as you can see, you can try it for free right here. When you click on this button, we're just going to be opening this in a new tab. And right here, as you can see, you have your try for free right here. And you would have this ideal for freelancers, startups, or smaller teams right here. And you can have your Basecamp Pro Unlimited. You can try this also for free right here. So yeah. And then we'll be discussing the prices later on, so we'll be going back into that. And then from here, the most important thing for me here is how fast the customer service here in Basecamp. As you can see right here, we're here to help. There are no stupid questions. For pre-sales questions, existing customers who need a hand or inquiries, you can easily reach out to Basecamp and they will get back to you within an hour right here by clicking on the Contact Us button. And then from here, you can see right here, you can type your queries right here or your concerns and so on right here. And yeah, now we'll be moving on into the prices of Basecamp. So we'll be going here into the pricing right here. So right here, we have the pricing. So for the Basecamp, ideal for freelancers, we have the startup or smaller teams. This is the perfect one for you, which is really cheap. This is around $5, $5 per month for only best for freelancers or smaller teams. But if you have a big team, then you can go for this one right here. And this is around $70 right here per month. And this is the Pro Unlimited, and you would have all the maximum features in Basecamp right here. So yeah, you can also do this. And as you can see, hey Philippines, and this is just an offer for us in the Philippines. We're now offering a special pricing for Filipino teams starting at 240 pesos per month for users, and pick from 2 plans right here. So I think it would also depend on where you are located, depending on the promo that they will be offering for you. And lastly, we'll just be going over to the features of Basecamp right here really quick. So as you can see, here are the features of Basecamp. You have your organization begins at home, stay on topic with messages, track with to-dos, which we have already discussed in the previous one. So we're just basically summarizing it right here. So you can also see it right here, and then get a clear bird's eye view and so on right here. You have it all right here. All you need to your project management right here. So yeah, so you can just go here in the features if you would like an easier time in viewing the features of Basecamp, and you would have the ideas if Basecamp has what it takes to get your team to do your projects right here and manage your projects. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.